रावणा हूँ और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। थैंक यू। और आज आप लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं रामायण। मैंने ये अमेज़न पर मंगाया है। अरे अभी मेरी छोटी बहन आई है, अभी पापा इसको लेके जाना।
आइए।
तो फ्रेंड्स, आज आप लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं एंड ऑफ रावण। तो एंड ऑफ रावण किसके पेज पर है? रावणा फॉल्स यहाँ पर है और फ्रेंड्स रावणा फॉल्स एंड में शायद ये नहीं है ना। अरे नो यार, चटा ये रावणा फॉल्स है। चलो आप लोग पढ़ते हैं। Wow, what a beautiful sight! exclaimed Radha, marveling at the aerial view of Lanka from a mountain top. On arriving at Lanka, he has first sent Agnan, the messenger of peace. But the offer has fulfilled Ravana's anger and his Rakshas attacked Agnan. Agnan returned and Rama was now ready to insult Lanka, having surrounded from all sides. Shouting victory to Rama and Lakshman, the monkeys rushed to attack as soon they received their war signal. एक मिनट, अंशी, एक मिनट, अंशी को लेके जाओ। ये क्या, कहाँ पर रखे थे? Shouting victory to Rama and Lakshman, the monkeys. अरे क्या कर रहे हो अंशी? अरे जाओ यार अंशी, ये बुक तुम्हारी मतलब की नहीं है, जाओ। Shouting victory to Rama and Lakshman, the monkeys rushed to attack as soon they received their war signal. Some hurled big boundaries and uprooted big trees to attack the demons. Rama's army was no less. They fought tooth and nail, and soon in the air and chariots falling apart, the deadly war continued. अरे क्या कर रही हो याची? एक तो ये यांशी ना अरे यार अरे नानी इसको लेके जाओ। अबे परेशान हो रही हो यार, मैं परेशान हो रहा हूँ। With his most heavyweight generals already dead, Ravana decided to wake up his brother Kumbhakaran, who slept for 6 months and woke up for a day, only to sleep again for 6 months. Kumbhakaran was strongest of all demons. This was an emergency and Ravan need all the help as possible. Kumbhakaran had to be roused by beating drums, blowing conches, walking elephants over him and striking him with blunt weapons. Mountains of food were kept ready which he would devour on walking. After he was sufficiently awake and well fed, he met Ravana and asked, "Brother, what can I do for you? Who do you want to be killed?" Relieved to be Kumbhakaran by his side, Ravan told him all about Rama and his powerful army destroying their beautiful Lanka. All through, Kumbhakaran was angry with Ravana for stupidly kidnapping Sita. जो कुंभकर्ण था ना, इसका पिक्चर ये देखो, कितना बड़ा है। तो he love for his brother was stronger. The tall and mighty Kumbhakaran rushed to the battlefield to destroy who dared to attack his brother. At the sight of this fearsome Raksha, all the monkeys scattered to hide themselves. The brave ones fought with rocks and trees, but they were simply mosquitoes for the dying Raksha, who only had to flick his wrist to end his life. He rendered Agnan Acrius and wrapped Sugriv in his arms. Joyous at capturing the king of monkeys, Kumbhakaran wanted show off his trophy to Ravana like a wild beast. Sugriv nibbled off his ears and nose. Taken by surprise, the demon loosed his hold on Sugriv and he quickly escaped. Unable to return Lanka, looking ugly and demoted, the devil backtracked to the enemy camp. None of the monkeys were any match for him. They climbed on him to scratch him with their sharp nails, but in vain. देखो कुंभकर्ण कैसे फॉट कर रहा था यार, कितना बड़ा और माइटी। इसके टीथ भी देख लो यार, क्या बात है। लेकिन फिर राम आया बीच में और कुंभकर्ण का एंड देखते हैं। Rama's blessed arrows has also failed to stop him. Taking aim with stronger, deadlier arrows, Rama first cut off his arms and legs and then beheaded the monstrous body of Kumbhakarna. Okay? Ravana, while his body had fallen into the sea, Kumbhakarna disbelieved his brother was dead. For a moment, he regarded starting the war. His son Indrajit confirmed him and said, "I am still alive. No need to worry, father." He stepped onto the battlefield with great pomp, but the monkeys cheered in joy as their prince. Indrajit lost his temper as well. He made himself invisible and shot arrows from the sky, killing many monkeys. And inspired, he shot cypress darts at Rama and Lakshman. The cypress stayed both of them, feeling Acunis in the battlefield. Garuda timely rescued the brothers by eating the cypress. The Lakhan army rejoiced vehemently, while the monkey army patiently waited for the heroes to rescue it. Rama required in a tumult of hearts, but Lakshman remained Acunis. It was Hanuman's quick dash for medical herbs that It was Hanuman's dash for the medical herbs that received Lakshman. The fight review with Lakshman demanded to Indrajit role in clash. It was a battle of equals that went on for many days. Finally, Lakshman used the fatal Indra Astra to sever Indrajit's head from his body. ओए, ये होता है क्या इंद्रजीत का? हाँ, मुझे पता चल गया, यही है। ओए, ये क्या हो गया लक्ष्मण को? देखते हैं। This bad news rattled Ravana to his bones. While flat foaming from his mouth and tears rolling from his eyes, he greeted never like before. His entire support system has been collapsed with the loss of Indrajit, the valiant consort of Indra. Ravan has understand the enemy and his plans have all horribly backfired. With no weapons other than sticks and stones, the enemy has destroyed the entire army. Despite this religion, he has still not learned his lesson. It was now or never. आपको पता है ना, मैं बहुत वेट कर रहा हूँ रावण का एंड देखते हैं। चलो देखते हैं, मुझे बोरिंग लग रहा है। Before he knew it, Lakshman was Acunis on the ground, and aware of this setback, Rama continued shooting arrows on Ravana. Meanwhile, the monkeys took advice from a Vadya, a herbal doctor who prescribed the living safe herb Sandrajit. Hanuman dashed all the way to the Himalayas, brought the herb and helped receive Lakshman. Much to everyone's delight, Lakshman arose appealing stronger and more radiant than before. Until now, Rama had fought without as much as a chariot, realizing that this put Rama and at despair. Indrajit sent his own chariot. मैं वेट करो यार, ठीक है ना। For him, Rama expected it gracefully. Then began a royal battle on. Through Rama was served of all 10 heads, they have sprung up again. No matter how many times he can cut the heads, they would always regret. The entire battlefield was covered with Ravana's hair, but he was still alive. अरे ये कैसे हो सकते हैं? हाँ, मैंने इसका वीडियो देखा है, मुझे पता है. रामा looked at विभीषण equally. देखो, ऐसा लगता है रावण, ऐसा लगता है विभीषण, ऐसा लगता है रामा. Rama looked at Vibhishan inquiringly. The demon's brother pointed to Ravana's belly button, suggesting that they will attack his point of weakness. Rama did exactly that. The flaming arrow pierced Ravana's abdomen and he fell lifelessly on the ground. Flowers rained from the heavens, celebrating the end of most evil demon ever. Vibhishan did the last slice with a heavy heart. Ravana was after all his brother. और कहाँ the end? The end.